a factorial is denoted by n exclamation point. So we wouldn't say n exclamation point, we would say n factorial. And it's the product of all the positive integers less than or equal to n. So if we're trying to evaluate 5 factorial, if it's the product of all the integers less than or equal to n, in this case, for number 1, 5 is our n. So everything less than 5 would be 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 1 would be 120. So number 2 for 0 factorial. If it says all positive integers less than or equal to n, there's nothing positive below 0, so there's only one value there, 0, and then you're done. You can't do 0 and then less than 0. So there's only one value there. 13 factorial would be 13 times 12 times 11 times 10, all the way down until you got to the very last value. And again, you guys can put this straight into your calculator. So just make sure, either ask someone next to you if they've already done it, or just check out that calculator video at the very beginning of the lesson. But you can legitimately just type in 13 factorial. You don't have to do 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. You can just type in 13 factorial. And it will give you a very big number. In this case, it actually gives you 6,227,020,800. And then number 5. So if it's written out, say we don't know what n is, like we don't know that it's 5, or we don't know that it's 12. If we know we're starting at n, then the next one is going to be 1 less than n. So we say n minus 1. 2 from that starting point will be n minus 2. So what happens, depending on where we start at, once we start repeating values, because it would be the same value, they would go away, and you would just be left with n times n minus 1. And that's it.